Hey everyone, Tech Steve here, and today I have something different for you guys. This is the new Samsung TU690T. The other day I was at Best Buy and I realized they have a new television that I haven't seen on the market, so I picked this up for you guys so we can review it and show you what it's all about. But on this video, I'm gonna get out of the box. We're gonna take a fresh look at it, see if anything changed over the TU7000, and then later on I'm gonna come out with the full review. So sit back and relax, and let's get started. So here's everything that came with it. There's a safety guide in here. There's also a quick startup guide. Comes with the remote control and door cell batteries, pretty cool. Then you get the power cord, and when it comes to the feet, it's not like the QLED series where you can adjust them up and down. You just snap them in just like the TU7000. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out with the glass side up. That way I don't damage the television. And then we'll go ahead and install the feet. Each foot on a television has an initial, which is left or right. All you need to do is just match it up with the television and go ahead and snap it into place. Now I'm going to show you guys the back of this television. So you can see there's a slot right here, and this allows air and ventilation to come through. There's also 4 holes right here, so you can mount it on the wall. There's a keystand hole right here, so you can lock it to a desk or table. And there's an Ethernet port right here, so you can go ahead and hook it directly to your modem. What I'm about to tell you might be a downside for some people, but let's take a look at the inputs. Over here, we have your power input, of course, as well as one USB. There's also a fiber optic output for going on to audio system and 2 HDMIs. That's right, 2 HDMIs, and one of them being eARC, so you can do Dolby Atmos pass-through. Over here, we have an ATSC 2.0 tuner, so it doesn't support the new next-gen technology. And this is what it looks like from the side profile, and it looks like it might be a edge-lit television, but I'm not sure yet. And take a look at the feet and the base. I'm pretty sure the color is titanium gray. There's also a Samsung logo right here in the center, and behind it, there are some press buttons so you can get through all the menus. There's also a left and right speaker that has a bass port to give you a little bit more fuller sound. Another thing I want to show you guys is that I don't see any kind of tape on the television as far as over the screen, but it does have this layered tape that's on the bottom and around the edges that you can easily take off. I also want to show you guys that this TV uses the very basic remote, so it doesn't have the voice commands like the TU8000 and the AU series. So if you're looking for something like that, you definitely want to upgrade. But overall, it looks like the screen is going to be pretty nice, but we won't know until I get into the full review. But overall, if you're looking for a budget TV, this is very similar to the TU7000. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!